Hi, welcome to Hindware Tech. In this video we will see how to connect Optimus ipro Smart Kitchen Chimney with Wi-Fi. First, install and add your product in Hindware Smart Appliances app. If you do not know how to add your product, then check out our previous video how to add product first and then watch this video for IoT connectivity. Before starting IoT connectivity, there are a few steps that has to be taken care. First, your product should be powered on and product Wi-Fi icon should be constant blue. Second, turn on your smartphone GPS location. Third, connect your smartphone with your 2.4 GHz or 4G Wi-Fi only, not with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Now open Hindware Smart Appliances app and click on Added Product icon. When you clicked on product icon on my dashboard, then this product page will open where you can see all the product features. In this page bottom right side, you can see the IoT connectivity icon. Click on this icon, then this page will open with important information. Read all the information and click on continue. Once you clicked on the continue, then this device configuration page will open with 3 steps and a pop-up will come on screen to ask the permission to connect with Hindware hotspot. Click on connect. Then the network page will open where you have to select your home 2.4 GHz or 4G Wi-Fi and enter password and click on connect. Then the network configuration page will open with 4 steps. Once Wi-Fi password is verified, then device Wi-Fi icon starts blinking blue, blinking green and then constant green. When Wi-Fi product is constant green, it means Wi-Fi product is connected with internet. Now you can control your product within where smart appliances are. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.